Nandita on the phone line with us. Nandita, do we have a final answer from the centre?
Yes, we do, Aviral. We've been told by sources in government that the government of India has rejected the report of Governor Mr. Bhardwaj, which means that the suggestion or the proposal to impose president's rule has been rejected outrightly. But the face saver really has been that the Home Ministry, we are being told, is going to write to the government of Karnataka, is going to write to the Chief Minister and issue some sort of advisory to take cognizance of all the matters that have been raised by the governor.
Right, Nandita, if you could elaborate on just what sort of an advisory is expected from the governor?
Well, basically, the sense that we're getting is that since the governor has raised this matter and an outright rejection of his report would have only meant embarrassment and some sort of snub really to a governor of a state, and that's something that had really put the Congress on a back foot, and that's the main reason why the centre had taken so much time to take a quick decision. Even though it was staring it in the face that it's not possible to enforce president's rule. So this seems to be some sort of face saver where the centre is going to bring up the matter with the government of Karnataka. But as far as imposition of president's rule is concerned, that is not constitutionally viable, and that decision has been taken by the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs right now, right here.
Right. Also, Nandita, what would you say were the centre's immediate concerns, or rather the points that it took into consideration while terming Governor Bhardwaj's special report on the state of Karnataka as not constitutionally viable, as you said?